Hey, it's Zemianek, and I'm here with my good friend
Dave Krauss. I'm a co-founder of Noiseaware and the founder of Rent Responsibly.
How long you been in the short-term rental industry?
I signed up in 2012, which makes me somewhat of a grandpa in our industry. Yeah. Some might, depending on who you're talking to, we're the newbies, but there's many, probably millions of people who have subsequently flooded in, and I think taking ownership of this industry as we now are, a little bit more gray-haired folks is important.
What was the first, project that you took on before Noiseaware came about, which is such an incredible product? What was the first thing you went after?
Like so many people that we talk to here, it happened somewhat accidentally, right? There's no college for short-term rentals, but it's so new. And so for me, it was the same story. I had to fill an apartment that I had just sold, but had not yet closed on the sale. So I owned it for one more month, and I had two options. It was Craigslist or something else. And so I decided
shocked you didn't go with Craigslist.
I lived to tell the tale. Maybe I made a good decision, but it was just that kind of need-based, backing into trial of short-term rentals. Certainly was an Airbnb listing that led to what I like to think of as importing tourism or importing the world to my home. At the time was Boston, so had one of those happenstance things, and then you start to think, man, this works. I made a little bit of money, and I felt like I was exchanging culture and values with these French travelers that just happened to need a place to stay and didn't want to stay in a hotel.